Welcome back to CryptoJet, where today we're going to be talking about Litecoin, but before we actually do get into that, we're going to talk about the global market cycle a little bit and my predictions. So what we can see right here is Bitcoin's chart, and we can see a very nice move towards the upside, overextended as we can see, and then a correction towards the downside, another overextended move, and we're making a correction currently. So this is completely normal in the market, and we are respecting fib levels at every single retracement, which I do expect to happen at this point as well. Now, we may just start going upwards from here, but I do expect an even further retracement down into the 50% level before going towards more upside, because that's how the normal market moves. Now, for this bull run, we still have a long way to go, and alt season has not even started. So what I predict is another further push, breaking the previous all-time high and coming into this upwards trending trend channel and the resistance of it, and then a retracement down to find a final support level around the previous all-time high level of 65k or whatever, and then a final push above the 100k mark where massive sellers will come in, and the bull market will very likely end around this point due to FOMO and pretty much fear after Bitcoin reaches 100k. So after that, we're going to be looking for reversal signs, and you will find out first on the CryptoJet channel. So first of all, talking about Litecoin, it's the 14th coin on the market with a market cap of $15 billion. Not much to talk about right here, but it is a open source currency for payments and a lot of different stuff. Basically, it is a spin-off of Bitcoin, and it is the absolute same thing. It was one of the first altcoins released in October 2021, and technically, obviously, it's very, very similar to Bitcoin. Now, looking at Twitter, Agris is saying touch and go for Bitcoin at the moment, inching closer to closing candles outside of 60k. We'll update when and if the next 4-hour candle body closes out of 60k. You already know, I believe we go for the mid 50s, but nothing is certain in this game. I started laddering / averaging my buy-ins, so a very smart strategy from my boy here. Basically, the 50k mark is what we're aiming for in this retracement. That's around the 61% fib level, but that seems a little bit too far-fetched for me. I do believe we will find significant support around the 54k mark, but I guess we're just going to see what's going to happen. And lastly, Litecoins chart right here, we can see a nice upwards trend channel, ascending trend channel being respected for the majority of last year and this year since March of 2020. And currently we saw, disregarding this week right here, it might be a broker thing, but we saw a very nice correction pattern and broke out of it and are currently retracing. So I do expect somewhat of a retracement into the fib levels right here, and after we actually did reach them right now, but could even go a little bit lower and find support with the SMA 50 as well before moving towards the upside. And my realistic target for Litecoin for this bull run is at least the previous all-time high level, not because it's a good project, but because pretty much everything will pump regardless of fundamentals once Bitcoin starts rallying above the 80k mark. Now, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn that bell on, and let me know in the comments if you love me or not, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.